Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this particular video, we'll be trying to find the rate of compound interest. So we have our question over here. At what rate of annual compound interest will the compound interest of Rs 3,43,000 in 3 years be 1,13,533? So we need to find the rate at which this 3,43,000 in 3 years will give us the compound interest of 1,13,533. Okay. So first, let's just write the given things. So we have our solution here. Our principal is equal to Rs 3,43,000. Our compound interest is Rs 1,13,533, and our time is 3 years. We need to find the rate. Now here in the question, the compound interest is given, so we are going to use the formula of compound interest to find the rate. So we know that the formula of compound interest is equal to P, big bracket, small bracket, 1 plus R divided by 100, bracket close, power T minus 1. Now let's just put in the values. So we have our compound interest as 1,13,533 equals to our principal is 3,43,000. And then we have our big bracket over here, small bracket, 1 plus, we don't know the rate, R divided by 100, and then bracket close, our time is 3 years minus 1. Now to find the rate, let's make that R single, right? So first let's just move this 3,43,000 to the left side. So we get 1,13,533. When this 3,43,000 comes to the left side, it becomes divide. So we have divided by 3,43,000 equals to, now we can skip this big bracket. So we have 1 plus R divided by 100, bracket close, power 3 minus 1. Now when we divide these two numbers in your calculator, you get 0.331 equals to, again we have our 1 plus R divided by 100, bracket close, we have cube minus 1. Let's move this minus 1 to the left side. When we move this minus 1 to the left side, it becomes plus 1, and we get 0.331 plus 1 is 1.331 equals to, we still have our 1 plus R divided by 100 whole cube. Now when we remove this cube, in the left side we get cube root of 1.331. So we have our cube root over here equals to, now we just have 1 plus R by 100 in our right side. We just remove that cube. The cube root of 1.331 is 1.1 equals to 1 plus R divided by 100. When we move that 1 to the left side, it becomes 1.1 minus 1, which is going to be 0.1 equals to, we still have our R divided by 100. And when we move that 100 to the left side, it becomes multiplied. So we have 0.1 times 100 is equal to R. And this is equal to 10, right? So we have 10 is equal to R. And therefore, our rate of compound interest is 10%. And done. We have found the rate. So it's not that difficult, right? So you just write the given things first and then use a formula of compound interest, put in the values, and then try to make R alone slowly by moving all the numbers to the left side. And finally, you get your answer, which is 10%. That's it. So if you enjoyed our video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for future maths videos. Thank you.